Benvenido Mirando Abante Jr., born July 15, 1951, is a Filipino politician and Bible Baptist pastor currently serving as the representative of Manila's 6th District since 2019, a position he previously held from 2004 to 2010. He also served as a Deputy Speaker of the House from 2020 to 2022, Minority Leader of the House from 2019 to 2020, and as a member of the Manila City Council from 1992 to 1995. He is also the senior pastor of the Metropolitan Bible Baptist Ecclesia, formerly Metropolitan Bible Baptist Church and Ministries in Santa Ana, Manila. Abante was born in Santa Mesa, Manila on July 15, 1951, as the eldest of 4 sons. Benvenido Ben Oliver Abante Sr. and Priscilla de Leon Mirando, both from Camarines, sir. He has 3 younger brothers, both of whom grew up to be political ministers. While growing up, Abante took on jobs such as shining shoes, selling newspapers and corsage, and working on a construction site. He also worked as an auditor. Abante earned his bachelor's degree from Far Eastern University in 1971. Later, he graduated with bachelor's and graduate degrees in theology at Baptist Bible College in Springfield, Missouri, and Baptist Bible College in Makati, respectively. He also holds a master's degree in government management from Pamatasan NG Langsat NG Manila. Theological career. In 1975, he founded the Metropolitan Bible Baptist Church and Ministries in Santa Ana, Manila. He also worked in academic institutions, serving as president of Metropolitan Lighthouse Theological School and Institute in Quezon City and administrator of the Metropolitan International Christian Academy in Manila in 1985. He was conferred an honorary degree in theology by the Citadel Baptist College in 1985 and an honorary Doctor of Theology degree at Indianapolis Baptist College in 1987. In 1986, he founded the Bible Believers League for Morality and Democracy Bible Mode, and also heads the Abante International Ministries AIM, the Grace and Truth Community International Foundation, Inc., and the Beno Abante Baptist Bible College. Personal life. Abante married Marie Paz Toledo in 1977 and has 3 children. His daughter Priscilla Marie is a lawyer and served as a counselor of Manila from the 6th District from 2013 to 2022 and spokesperson of the House of Representatives of the Philippines since 2025. His son, Benny Fog III, is an incumbent counselor from the same district since 2022. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.